Good morning, YouTube viewers, and welcome back to another video here from California Datsun on a 240Z restoration. I forgot to do a on the ground video of this car, so we're doing it on the trailer just because it's going back to its owner right now. And I forgot to film it before I put it on. But anyway, this is a beautiful 1972 240Z finished in a Kilimanjaro white. We'll go through everything like we normally do. It's got our 17-inch Rota wheels with California Datsun Willwood brakes back there, 4-piston. Beautiful undercarriage in this car. The whole car has been painted on a rotisserie, so that looks awesome. All the way up into the wheel well area there. It's got a nice tasteful air dam. Our beautiful LED headlight conversion with the daytime running light feature. Of course, our classic European chrome bumper. Got some LED bulbs inside those side marker lights, brand new emblems, beautiful California Datsun mirrors. Let's take a look at the inside of this real quick. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous red leather, and when I say red leather, I mean red leather everywhere, right? Got our classic 6x9 speaker box back there. Beautiful armrest with some cup holders. Got a nice Alpine stereo with some killer Rockford Fosgate speakers. Look at the attention to detail on these door panels. These are our custom aluminum inserts put in there by our upholstery shop. Brand new dashboard. Then, of course, you got our classic Speed Hut gauges with an AEM air-fuel ratio gauge to keep everything monitored. 3 classic gauges right there. Interior is beautiful with that 5-speed transmission. Let's take a quick look under the hood. This is a fuel-injected 240Z as I climb up here. Take a look at what we got. Alright, so single throttle body setup. It's got a standalone fuel management system. It is a stroker 3-liter motor. Cold air intake, your regular Champion radiator cooling system. Beautiful header, ceramic coated. You got your Willwood master cylinder there. All of your vacuum lines, your sensors, fuel pressure regulator, brand new battery. This is my guy Rick Gonzalez that we did this for. And got some relays. Of course, the engine bay light, everything works as it should. This car runs and drives beautifully. I'll try to walk around the other side without tripping on this trailer. And see a little bit more attention to detail. Individual coil packs. You got a 100 amp GM alternator. Of course, it's got air conditioning because we're California and we got to stay cool. Gear reduction starter, beautiful plumbing. Got some awesome electrical system there with circuit breakers. And there's a lot going on here and a lot to see. Let's move over to the passenger side. So get back to that interior again real quick. You see the air conditioning unit there. Leather wrap center console. Just gorgeous, right? So yeah, man, if you're looking to have your 240Z restored, or 260, 280, whatever you got, 280ZX, we do them all, give us a call. CaliforniaDatsun.com is our website. Take one last look at the beautiful interior of this car and show you everything that we have done. Maybe get one more of the undercarriage right quick. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Billet adjustable lower control arms, limited slip differential, rebuilt axles, rear disc brakes. Of course, every nut and bolt has been plated. This car is amazing. It's got the 280Z fuel tank in it because it's fuel injected. It's got an awesome ceramic coated Borla muffler there. Carbon fiber tip. Brand new tail lights. So again, we are CaliforniaDatsun.com. If you're looking to have your Z restored, take a look at our dozens of videos of these cars. We do these all day, every day. Again, my name is Al Allen and I am the owner. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.